Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the font size bigger in Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using Feedly. How do you actually make it so that the font is larger so that you can read it better? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Feedly account. Then on the upper left hand corner, you want to click on your profile name and then click on settings. Once you've done so, you want to click on this box here that says appearance. So from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says text size. So you can see that there's a tooltip here that says which font size should we use for the body of articles. You can set it to small, you can set it to medium, you can set it to large, and notice how the fonts start getting larger the larger the font size that you choose. So we're just going to set it to large, and we'll actually change this to a light theme, and there you have it. We've now made the font size larger on Feedly. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make the font larger on Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.